Sabihin niyo talaga tamad kami. Yes. Hey, I forgot the wipes. Hello. Good morning, guys. Welcome to our vlog for today. Hello, good morning, online aunties, online titos. Tingnan yung mga buhok namin, guys, hindi pa nasuklay. Kasi kagigising lang namin, guys. Oo. Sabihin nyo talaga tamad kami. Yes, time is very... Yan ang oras, guys. 21 past 9 ng umaga. Kasi nga, guys, today is Sunday. So, kapag sa weekend talaga, guys, kapag walang pasok, talagang nalilate kami ng gising ng mga bata. Kasi yun na yung pahinga namin, guys, para sa all of the week na mga gising namin morning. Di ba, maaga kami nagising 6:30 para mag-prepare para sa school. So, yan yung mga bonus namin dito sa bahay. Pag weekend, okay lang malate sa pagising. Basta, makarest kami, ganun. So, kaya, ganun, guys. Are you okay? What's acting like you very near?
It's a cat. Cat. Done.
You forgot the wipes. Can you give me the wipes, please? Yan ang wipes, my love. Ay, you're playing the plastic, Ayla. Wipes, please. Oh, my love. Wipes. The wipes?
What?
No, under there. Wipes for Ayla.
You opened.
No, give it to me. That's fine. Is it still wet? No, it's dry. Give me the plastic. I saw the plastic there. Yeah, that one.
The one?
Yeah.
The one open.
It's okay. I think the one is finished. It's open. Thank you, Kuya Christian. Thank you, Kuya. Yan ang iwi.
Oh, the tail off.
Let's have breakfast na Ayla.
And you
Ay, plastic. Tingnan na.
another toy. Oh. Wow, look at the toy.
Thank you. Oh, you're very good, Kuya Christian. Kuya Christian is helping, guys. Ang bait ni Kuya. You. Sabi ko kay guys, mabait ka. Kasi, na-help ka kay Mama. Nice and clean. Meron kang rashes sa itsura, Ayla. Ano kaya yun?
Mommy.
Makasasabon kagabi.
Yeah.
Look, oh, she got rashes in her face.
Why?
Maybe because your soap in the bath. I think so. Sorry.
Mommy, Mommy. Mommy.
No, you don't have because that's your soap. Umi, Ayla.
That why do you have my shoe?
Yeah, because she used last night because we bath together.
Yeah.
Maybe that's why she got redness in her.
I have mommy to dirt. To dirty water.
So she's not allowed to post with us.
Yeah.
Oh dear. Next time, Ayla, you bath alone, okay? Because you're still a baby.
Yeah, told you.
Yeah. Let's have a breakfast game.
What? No, I wonder what.
Porridge na lang si Ayla. Porridge ka na lang, Ayla, okay? Kasi, yun ang milk niya. Ito yung butas dito. What?
Okay.
Yay! Christian, roll him down. Hey, what you want? What would you like? Sir, yan kay Kuya Christian. Tapos ni Kuya Christian, guys, is request siya ng cereal daw sa kanya. So, yan. Yung KitKat na request niya. Christian, breakfast ready! Gawa tayo ng porridge ni Ayla, guys. Pero kailangan ko ng boiled water pala. Kasi magkakape ako. Magkakape tayo. Okay. Ako, sinira na naman niya yung ano niya. Sinira na naman niya yung harapan niya nilagay ko. How can you do that? Ayos ko na guys. Breakfast na ano. Tapos lagi na pinag-init ko. Nakalimutan ko talaga itong Cerelac guys. No? Pag nakita ko sa shop, kasi yung nabili ko talaga is yung porridge na may brand name din. Pero gusto ko talaga Cerelac. Kung buti napansin ko yung Cerelac. Kasi mas ano siya, mas kilala sa akin ba. Oh, shucks, nadamihan. Nadamihan pa ang tubig, guys. Mabuti, hindi ko pa na natapon pa siya. Kasi natutubig siya in the end na. Kaya, kayo guys, ano yung weekend nyo dyan, mga ganap nyo guys, no? Comment down below guys, kung saan kayo sa Pilipinas, o saan kayo sa sulok ng mundo. Comment down below guys, para kayo ay ma-shoutout natin guys. Yung mga bagong viewers natin dyan, baka naman, may bago pala tayong subscriber, siguro sila, may 10 nag-add sa atin guys, ating subscriber, no? So, thank you po sa ating pag-subscribe and thank you for supporting sa aming vlog. At saka taga saan po kayo guys, comment down below guys, para kayo may pasalamatan. At saka shoutout din natin guys ating next vlog. Online. I know, luckily, it's a strong, isn't it, King? Otherwise, what's gonna happen? You okay? Are you okay? Ayla, okay? Ayla, okay? Breakfast na soon, baby girl. Let mommy make coffee, yeah? And then put Ayla next. Wala na milk. Tapos na. So we can pass. It's breakfast. How's your sleep, King? How was your sleep?
Good.
Good. Yeah, you're snoring.
What?
You're snoring.
How?
Yeah, I heard you. Christian is snoring. Oh, bless you. Excuse me.
Is it milk? Oh, yeah,
No,
milk.
it's just tempered glass. It's already damaged.
No, it's milk.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, good.
Sorry.
Unahin natin itong mga bata, guys, no?
Yeah.
Did you tell guys? Did you tell your online titas to eat?
Nope.
Why? You should invite them. Say, titas, eat.
Turn off.
Turn off.
Yeah.
No, it's not turn off.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it's still continuing. Even it off. Yeah. Si Ayla, guys. Ano talaga si Ayla pag morning, alam talaga niya, guys, na kailangan niya mag-breakfast. Hindi pa siya nag-drink ng milk niya. Talagang alam niya na yung routine niya na may breakfast siya. Kaya kahit timplahan mo siya ng milk, guys, hindi niya iinumin. Ito nga, oh. Kasi hindi pa kami mabangon kanina. Nagtimpla ako para sa kanya. Hindi niya ininom. Kasi alam niya na bigyan ko siya ng breakfast.
Shoot, that guy is not a milk cooler. Increase it. Show that one. Show that one. Show that one.
Why?
The only guy like it. I want you.
No, you cannot do that. Malapit na maubos ay ang porridge. Very good, girl. Ayan, guys, oh, malapit na maubos, oh. Lakain to si Ayla, guys, eh. Water? Yummy.
Build.
Tuwa naman si Ayla dito, guys. Tignan niyo, guys, oh. Why the kid is there? What's happened?
That one, his mom eat far away.
Oh.
That one get out of a chicken window and the kids hit me.
So the kids is there in the boat.
No, in the
No,
home.
I'm asking why the...
In the home.
And then why is
In the mom.
because in the end the girl is in the boat. What happened? She followed the guy. Ah, yeah, she followed the guy. Must be, isn't she?
No, P. He hit him. Mommy hit him now.
Yeah.
He hit him.
Really?
Yeah.
They're not friends.
Nope.
Nope.
He just put his jam out.
Ahem. Sorry.
Another toy. Ida Pio. Another toy. Ida Pio. Another toy. Pio.
Sweet ni Kuya Christian kay Ayla. She love you, King, isn't she? Ayla really love you. Happy ang baby girl ni Mami. Happy ang baby girl ni Mami. Happy kasi kumain na yan, no? Ng chicken and ng mashed carrots and ng bell pepper. Yan. Kaya busog na busog yan si Ayla, guys. Kaya happy ang baby natin. Yeah, say hi to online aunties and uncle. Hmm. The spider. I didn't see spider there.
You're eating the curry.
Alright. I don't know, guys, if you understand him.
Eat a dead.
Okay. Okay, calm down na. Sit down na.
Eat a dead.
Right. Kulit ni King. Yan si Ayla. Hi, Mami. Hanap mo si Mami.
What?
Oh, what? Oh my God.
No.
What is it? Oh dear. Look at you. She's enjoying the jumper room. Is it on? I think I turned it off yesterday. Yeah, on. You turn it on. Nag-enjoy na siya dito, guys, sa jump. Pero dati ayaw talaga niya nito. Pero ngayon parang feel na niya. Jump. That's it. Jump. Jump, Ayla. Gusto na niya talaga. Gusto niya ni Ayla. Ang jumper room. Kuya Christian naman. She's strong, okay? Ayla is strong. Habang naglalaro yung mga bata, guys, ano ko muna yung mga labahan. Ibaba ko muna kasi kailangan ko matapos yung ibang labahan kasi nga bukas may pasok na si Christian. At saka kailangan kong ibaba para malaban siya, guys. Ay, Diyos ko. Kahit Sunday, ganito, guys, wala tayong pahinga. Trabahong Mother Earth. So, ibaba ko ito. Kunti lang naman siya. Kasi nga meron na doon sa washing machine nakatenga na nalagay ko kahapon. Kaya, yun, idagdag ko na lang ito, guys, para hindi ako maano ng mga labahin ba. This, yan yung mga niya, yung mga soft toys niya. Tuwing gabi yan, guys, meron din siyang paborito na itabi. Iba-iba sa gabi ba. Mga paborito niya, ganyan. Hindi siyang katulog pag wala siyang soft toys. Talagang siya, nasanay na siya. Minsan, guys, tiglima yan sa kamay niya. Ako na minsan nag-ano sa kanya, nag-a-adjust. Kapag natulog siya, saka ko siya kinukuha pa. Kasi nga, puno na sa ano niya, puno na sa kamay niya. Ulit ni Kuya Christian, guys. Tapos mamaya, nasa taas tayo. Taas na naman mamaya. Dito ko na lang siya ilagay sa... Yan. Tingnan nyo guys. Mga laruan ni Kuya Christian. Yan. Ito naman yung mga soft toys niya na maliliit. Ayan. Dito ko na niyang inano. Kasi tuwing gabi guys, kahit linisin ko pa yan, ganun pa din. Kakalat at kakalat pa rin yan. Ito yung saan niya. Kakalat at kakalat pa rin yan. Kaya sabi ko dyan na yan, bahala na. So yeah guys, pababa na tayo. Kasi nga, maglalaban na ako guys sa baba. May try again? Is it? If you try this is charging. I will take the clear picture. Now come on, fix your train.
Yeah. Look my face now.
Wala kasi yung battery nito guys, ang charger nito. Iwan ko lang kung mag-work itong octopus na charger. Baka pwede pa naman siya. So, charge. Yeah, so fix that now while it's
Yo,
charging.
that's cool.
Yeah, it's charging, love.
Why that?
It's charging, so that's fine. Is it red? Yeah? So, yeah, fix your tray now. Kunin ko ibang train sa taas para malaro mo siya. Okay. Welcome to my life, guys. This is my life in the UK. Pasan-pasan ko yan. Yan ang pasan-pasan ko every day of my life, guys. No, parang, hindi ka lang, parang nabuntis pa din tayo kasi pasan-pasan pa din itong batang ito, guys. Oh. Ayan. Itong mga ganito niya. Ito yung nahanap niya. So, ibaba natin ito. Ano ba kung mag-work pa ito? Ito yung sa Pasko niya na regalo eh. Hindi ko lang sure kung ito na ano ata. So, tingnan natin. That's all. So, yeah guys. Mapa tayo, Ayla. Wala tayong kukunin dito. Tingnan nyo kahit saan siya guys. Ayan si Ayla. Kasama ko yan. Ayla. Ito guys, ibibenta ko yung 10 pounds sa marketplace pero hindi ko pa napopost. Hindi ko pa napicturean. Wala pang time. Pero 10 pounds na yan guys, baka mabili. Ayan. Okay, I found something. Charan!
How do you find that?
Upstairs in your bedroom. See? Yeah, so you can fix it. You can fix it. May tuko, kay mami nagasabit. Tak, 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 tak. May tuko, kay mami gasabit. Tuk, tuk, tuk. May gwapa nga tuko, gasabit kay mami. Pinataka lang na siya guys, ha? Pinataka nga song. Pinataka nga song ni mami. Pero ang Ilonggo lang gidang makaintindi, guys, no? So, anyway. Sige, Ano gyapon guys? Ano gyapon guys? Naglalaba pa din tayo. Minsan kasi hindi talaga mawala yung pagkailonggo ko guys. No? Kahit sa tono ko, talagang lalabas at lalabas talaga yung pagkailonggo ko guys. So, ganun talaga guys kapag may accent ka. No? Hindi talaga mapigilan. So, I'm proud to be Ilonggo. Kailan kasi ang dumi na guys. Oh. Ang dumi na ng ano niya. ng bag.
Oh my god, what is it?
Isa problem.
Is it good?
So, yun guys, nagawa ko siya.
Is it good? Carry. Chef, I told you I made the car. Mommy, look.
Yeah, you can see the letter K.
Ah, there was a party.
This one is really the damage, huh?
I didn't want the
But
car.
otherwise, it's working well. It's working soft.
Good.
Right, Ayla?
Good.